Straight down to business, I ain't trying to waste your time. You want to create a YouTube channel, then subscribe to this 6-part series. Part 1, choose a niche, and choose the right niche if you want to make some money.
Tell them to bring me my money. Yeah!
You probably heard this before, but the question is why? The more niche down your YouTube channel is, the more views, because people can watch your videos back to back. You can take advantage of SEO, and your videos will appear on the suggested videos tab. Now you're probably wondering, how do I choose the right niche? The other question you should be asking yourself is, why am I creating a YouTube channel? Is it to make money? Is it to share your passion? Or are you creating a personal brand? Stick to the end of the video to find out. We're going to break down YouTube channels into 3 categories: educational, entertainment, and informational. I've got a list of the 21 most profitable YouTube niches in the description box below, but here's a list of the top 10. Education and tutorials, technology reviews, entertainment, food and cooking, gaming, health and fitness, personal finance and investing, beauty and fashion, DIY and crafts, travel and vlogs, it being the number 10. These YouTube niches get the highest CPM. CPM simply means the amount of money YouTube pays you per 1,000 views that you get on your YouTube video. This is because there are more advertisers on YouTube that are paying around those niches. Good examples are movies and tech. They've got big budgets and pay good money to market their products on YouTube videos and channels around their respective niches. Now, if you open Social Blade, which is a platform you can use to see the rough estimates of the amount of money YouTube channels are making, you'll find channels like Dude Perfect, Jeffree Star, and Mr. Beast, just to name a few good performers. With Dude Perfect making a whooping estimate of around $500,000 a month. If you still don't know the niche you want to focus on, then it's time to do some market research. First, you have to note down all the things that you're interested in, and the more specific you are, the better. Then find YouTube channels that are similar in those ideas that you've written down. Then you can choose the niche that best aligns with you. Don't forget to cross-reference the YouTube channels with the tool we talked about earlier, Social Blade, which you can also install as an extension on your browser to track social media statistics. You can also use tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy for extended YouTube channel analysis, which we're going to look into further in the next episodes of this 6-part series. So subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. See you on the next one.